How to monetize a small YouTube channel. If you are a new YouTuber with less than 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours, according to YouTube, you do not qualify to make any money on YouTube. What if I told you that there were 4 secret ways that you can actually start making money on YouTube with your first few videos and you don't have to worry about YouTube's monetization requirements? Now, 99% of all new YouTubers don't know this, and that's why most of them will never make a single dollar online. But luckily for you, through this video, you can become one of the 1% that knows how to monetize their YouTube channel with a small audience and very few videos. But before I show you those 4 ways that you can do this, we first of all need to understand why exactly do people watch YouTube videos. So people watch YouTube for basically 3 different reasons. Number 1, they are bored and they're looking for something to entertain them. Number 2, they are lonely and they're looking for a community that they can join. Number 3, they want to learn something. The best thing that you can do for yourself is to understand why people use YouTube. And then you focus on creating content that solves one or all of those problems for the people that you are going to be watching your videos. What I'm basically saying is that you need to know your niche or your category of videos. For example, some people make funny videos, some people make reaction videos, some people, they do vlogs. And then some people run educational channels. For example, you want to talk about maybe your human resources career or your accounting career, or like me, I talk about making money online. It doesn't matter which niche or category you want to focus on, but what matters is that you understand why people are going to be watching your videos, and then you make a conscious decision that these are the type of videos that I'm going to make for the long term. Meaning that today you can't make a funny video and then tomorrow you make an educational video and then the next day you make a vlog. It has to be the same type of content. Once you do that, YouTube will start recognizing the type of content that you create, and then it will start recommending people to come and watch your videos, the type of people that are interested in that type of content. Once you understand that, the first way that you can monetize YouTube without having a huge audience is by doing what's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply the process of you identifying different companies that will allow you to register on their website so that you can promote their products. And if people buy their products through your YouTube channel, you're going to get paid a commission. Now, all these different platforms that allow you to sign up as an affiliate, they'll give you a very special affiliate link that you can put in the description of your videos, and then you just simply tell people that, hey, there's a link in the description of this video, click on that link and buy. And if people buy, you get paid a commission. Now, the most popular platform in the whole world that does this is this one that we all know, which is called Amazon.com. Even the new competitor Amazon is also doing this. They call themselves Temu. You can register as an affiliate and offer their products to your audience. Now, other examples of places that you can also sign up as an affiliate, the most common ones out there are ClickBank, there's JVZoo, there's Digistore24, there's CJ Affiliates, and then there's Impact.com. Most of these platforms just simply need you to tell them how exactly you're going to be promoting, and then it's actually free for you to join. And then you will find lots of different companies that will allow you to promote their products. And so the way that you're going to be approaching this is that as you create videos, you can either create dedicated videos about the products that you want to promote, or you can include those products in that content that you share. For example, while I'm doing this video, I might tell you that I've used lots of different mouses or mice or whatever you want to call them when I am doing some stuff on my computer, and usually my fingers get painful. But recently I bought this mouse, which I bought on Amazon, and every single time I use it, my fingers feel great and I don't feel any pain afterwards. And then I can start talking about the different features that it's got about 10 different buttons as compared to normal mouse or mice, whatever you call them, that have got maybe about 3 buttons. I explain the features, I explain the benefits, and then I tell people that if they're interested in getting this mouse, they can simply use the link that's in the description of the video. And when people click that link and they buy, I get paid a commission. Now, if you want a full video tutorial about how to get started with affiliate marketing, I'm going to link to it right here. Plus, also in the description of the video, I'm going to put a link to a course that you can sign up for. It will teach you everything that you need to know about how to do affiliate marketing using a YouTube platform. And the best part about doing affiliate marketing is you can start earning income as soon as people start watching your video. You don't have to wait until you get those 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. Now, before I reveal the 3 other ways that you can actually monetize your YouTube channel, a lot of people in the comment section keep asking me to do a full YouTube course or tutorial on how to start a YouTube channel. So I've actually gone ahead and done that. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video. You can check out my full course there. But then also I've got an ebook that shows you 22 different ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm just showing you 4 of them. But if you want more ways that you can start a YouTube channel without waiting for when YouTube finally monetizes you, you need to get yourself that ebook. It's called the YouTube Money Plan, and it's definitely going to help you to be making more money on YouTube. The second way that you can monetize your YouTube channel is by creating digital products that you can sell to your audience. Digital products can come in the form of ebooks, courses, templates, anything that you can create that helps people to get information from you without you having to talk to them directly. For example, personally on my channel, I have got my own website where people can watch my videos and then they can click on the link that I normally put in the description. They go to my website and then they see all the different ebooks that I have on sale. I try to make my ebooks super affordable. And the nice part about this is that whether you're charging $10 or $15, if just 5 people or 10 people buy that a day, that's $150 that you would not have got randomly, but it comes because people who are watching your content, they want your stuff, that they go to your website and then they buy from you. Now, if you're someone who has worked as a business professional, or maybe you've worked as a coach, as a consultant, or maybe you just have basic knowledge about something that you know people would be interested in, you can go ahead and create your ebook. You can create a course. It can even be an audio recording of yourself just talking, explaining something. But when you start posting videos, you need to talk about that thing and then mention that people can get access to it by either going to your website. You can put the address to your website on your videos, or you can put it in the description of your video, or you can actually put it in the big banner that appears at the top of your YouTube channel. But then that way, when people start watching your videos, they can start buying the products that you have for sale, rather than you waiting forever for YouTube to start monetizing you. If you're finding value in this video so far, please show your support just by hitting the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I share content like this. The third way that you can monetize your YouTube channel is by offering coaching and consulting services plus freelance services. It depends on what type of person you are. Are you a coach? Are you a consultant? Or you're someone with a specific skill that you then can offer to people online? For example, I've got this main YouTube channel where you're watching this, but what a lot of you guys don't know is that I've got another YouTube channel where I also share about website design. And the nice part about that YouTube channel is that at the moment of recording this video, it has got less than 150 subscribers, but it's getting me clients, people around the world, because I just share videos about website design. What should people put on their websites, how to make a high converting website, how to get clients by having a website. And then people who need all those services start reaching out to me. Some of them leave me comments, some of them send me emails and say, hey, I saw your video, please can you make a website for me? So I'm offering my services out there. Some of these people just ask me maybe to review their website, and then I get paid as a consultant. Some of these people ask me to teach them how to make websites so that they can earn an income from that, and then I then get paid as a coach. And then lastly, for the ones who need websites, I am getting paid as a freelancer. So it doesn't matter what service you're offering out there, but you can simply offer your service by creating videos, creating content on YouTube. And then when people see that content, they'll hire you to do the job for them. And then the fourth way that you can actually monetize a YouTube channel is by you creating content for other people that should be having YouTube channels. I don't know how many times I've been approached by so many different brands, some of them big brands that you know, but they don't have a YouTube channel. Some of them say to me that, hey, we see your content and we love it. Can you create content for our channel, or can you become our person who is creating content? And sometimes I say yes, but in most cases I say no, because it's going to take time away from me creating content on my own channel. So what you can simply do is that you can identify different businesses that seem to be doing well out there that are not creating YouTube content. And then what you simply do is that you get maybe 1 or 2 YouTube video ideas, you record content with their products, and then you reach out to them and say, hey, look, I did this for you, and I'd love to do this for you on a continuous basis. Can I set up a YouTube channel for you, and can I manage it for you? It's going to help you. And then you talk to them about the benefits. It's going to help them to create more awareness organically, even if they want to sponsor the videos. By sponsoring, I mean that they can use paid advertising to make more people to see them. They can get clients, they can get leads through YouTube. You just simply present the proposal in a way that makes sense to them, that they're going to be getting value by you having videos for them. So another thing that you can also do is that you then present yourself as the content creator for brands. you create content for brands. So your YouTube channel is going to be focused on, hey, I'm that guy who can create content for you. And then you're just basically educating them about this is the importance of you having content. Now, if you're interested in knowing how much YouTube has actually paid me as a content creator, check out this video next and see how much YouTube has actually paid me for 3 million views. It's going to blow your mind.